So as a hurricane hunter, we often get asked what it's like to fly in a hurricane and why we fly in hurricanes. Let me tell you a little bit about how we actually fly into hurricanes. I'm Zawislak, I'm a meteorologist and flight director here at NOAA's Aircraft Operations Center. So when we fly into hurricanes, we want to do it as safe as possible. And the safest way to fly a hurricane is basically a straight line into the eye and out of the eye. But we actually have to nose the airplane into the winds. So as we get closer to the eye wall, for instance, the winds come up, we actually have to nose the airplane more and more to our left in order to make a perpendicular track into the eye. And then when we head outbound, we actually have to nose all the way to the right to head outbound, maintaining a perpendicular track to the wind. Now as the winds come up, the storm gets stronger, that means we have to nose even more. Now we call this the crab angle, or the drift of the airplane. In Cat 5, we could drift as much as 45 degrees off of where we're heading into the eye. But that's not all. We fly what we call pressure surfaces. Now, the pressure's lower in a hurricane. That means all the altitudes that we fly end up lower in the center of the hurricane. So as we're heading to the eye, we're actually descending the airplane into the eye and then ascending the airplane out. It might be a couple hundred feet in a weak hurricane, but in a major hurricane, we can descend into the eye as much as 2,500 feet. So flying a hurricane is this complex interaction of crabbing into the wind, ascending and descending, while also experiencing all of that turbulence. That's how we get that really important data we need to get to the Hurricane Center to understand and forecast these storms better.